Today I'm going to be walking you around our 2019 VW camper. I think the mint and white contrast looks really well. As we step inside, we've got our lovely checkered floor. Please excuse my foot marks, this is just about to be cleaned. Lovely kitchen with our sink, cooker and fridge, as well as our bed. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats with our rear bench, making this camper 5 belts, full berth. Inside we have all the features you could possibly need: radio, media, rear parking sensors and our AC just below. If we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.